Hello. I just thought I'd do this small short on hopshoots. Now you can forage these because hops do grow in the wild, but luckily I have one climbing up the trellis next to my veranda. Now, hop's easy to recognise. It's got these wonderful 5-lobed leaves. And the stems are slightly, not hairy, but they're rough. So don't mistake them for anything else, because if you're foraging these in the wild and you happen to pick some other nasty like bindweed, which probably give you a bit of an upset stomach, or bryony, which will not do you any good at all, then you know you've got to make sure you get your identification right. So what am I picking? This plant starts out the ground here, and I'm looking for shoots like this. So I've picked a couple, and these are very soft, and I'm only going to pick this one here from there. And I can use these hop shoots when they're nice and young and fresh like that, chop them up quite finely and pop them into an omelette or in scrambled eggs, and they are very tasty.